Have you ever bought something and then found out it got even cheaper just days later? That's exactly the situation with the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE in the UK right now. Except this time, you might actually be on the lucky side if you waited. Samsung already surprised us last week by dropping the price of the S24 FE by £100, but in an unexpected twist, they've gone even further, now slashing a full £150 off the original price. That means you can pick up the 128GB storage and 8GB RAM version for just £499, instead of the launch price of £649. If you prefer extra space, the 256GB version is now just £549. And here's the best part. This discount applies whether or not you trade in an old phone. Of course, if you do have a device to trade in, you could stack your savings to a potential total of up to £470 off, depending on the condition and model of what you hand in. Now, if you grab the S24 FE last week for £549, I can understand why this might sting a little, but Samsung's pricing changes are unpredictable, and this is one of those rare cases where waiting paid off big time. On top of the lower price, Samsung UK is also offering exclusive perks if you buy through the Samsung Shop app, so it's worth downloading it if you don't already have it installed. That could mean extra savings or special bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. There are also bundled deals running alongside the discount. You can get 20% off selected Galaxy watches, Galaxy Buds, and even the Galaxy Ring, which could make for a nice all-in-one upgrade to your tech setup. And for extra peace of mind, if you sign up for a Samsung Care Plus monthly plan when buying the S24 FE, you'll get your first 3 months of coverage completely free. The phone itself is already a solid value in the mid to premium range, packing a powerful processor, a bright and vibrant display, and a versatile camera system that can handle everything from everyday shots to special moments. It's designed to give you many of the high-end features from Samsung's flagship lineup, but at a price that's easier to justify. And with this deal, that price is even harder to resist. Whether you're upgrading from an older phone, switching brands, or simply want a capable daily driver without spending top-tier flagship money, this new offer makes the S24 FE one of the most attractive options on the market right now. And when you factor in the trade-in program, accessory, discounts, and free Care Plus coverage, the total value becomes even more compelling. The catch? Deals like this are almost always time-limited, and Samsung hasn't said how long this specific offer will last, so it could vanish just as quickly as it appeared. If you've been debating whether now's the right moment to buy a new phone, this might be the push you needed. Imagine picking up a brand new S24 FE for under £500 and still having enough left over in your budget to grab a smartwatch or earbuds at a discount. So what do you think? Is this the kind of price drop that makes you pull the trigger, or are you still holding out for something else? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more updates on price drops, tech news, and the best deals you can find, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll always be in the know.